That other one fucking blew up, dude.
Give me the green one.
Seems like for real this time. Dun dun dun.
Spray painted a tree red.
Dude, it's gonna get us.
You can hear the ball bounce in it.
Yeah, I gotta get farther back in these woods here.
No, you'll be okay.
You're okay.
There it goes. You hear the ball?
He's not gonna do it.
It'll do it like a minute later.
Yeah, oh my god, something shot over here.
Damn.
That was pretty.
It did. Holy shit, guys. You just witnessed park shenanigans. Woods, not park.
Throw the green in there. Can we throw the propane tank in?
I'm fucking hating this tree, dude.
It's gonna be awesome. You guys will be like, Steve, what are you doing out there in my woods?
Are you shooting off roads?